Most people don't realize it, but they are unknowingly ruining their living room. It's not about budget. It's not about space. It's about small design mistakes that completely destroy the look of a room. And the worst part? Almost everyone is making them. Today, we're breaking down the biggest mistakes that make your living room look cheap, messy, and uninviting, and how you can fix them instantly. Let's start with the most common problem: clutter. Too many items, too many decorations, too many things fighting for attention. When everything stands out, nothing stands out. Luxury spaces always feel calm and intentional. That's because they remove more than they add. If your room feels chaotic, start by decluttering. Keep only what you truly need or love. Next mistake: pushing all furniture against the walls. It might seem like it makes the room look bigger, but it actually does the opposite. It creates empty space in the middle and makes the layout feel awkward. Instead, bring your furniture slightly inward and create a cozy conversation area. Even in small rooms, this makes a huge difference. Another major mistake is poor lighting. A single harsh overhead light can instantly ruin your entire space. It creates flat shadows and a cold atmosphere. The fix is simple: layer your lighting. Use table lamps, floor lamps, and warm light sources to create depth and warmth. Now let's talk about rugs. Using a rug that is too small is one of the biggest design mistakes. It makes your furniture look disconnected and the room feel incomplete. Always choose a rug that is large enough to anchor your seating area. At least the front legs of your furniture should sit on it. Another mistake is ignoring color harmony. Too many random colors can make your space look messy. Stick to a consistent color palette, preferably neutral with a few accent tones. This creates a clean and elegant look. Cheap-looking materials can also ruin your living room.
Plastic decor, shiny synthetic fabrics, and low-quality finishes can make the space feel less refined. Switch to natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, and ceramic whenever possible. Bare walls are another problem. A completely empty wall makes the room feel unfinished. But over-decorating is just as bad. The key is balance. Add 1 or 2 statement pieces instead of filling every inch. Now here's a mistake many people ignore: lack of texture. If everything in your room feels flat and smooth, it will look boring. Layering textures, like rugs, cushions, throws, and natural elements, adds depth and richness. Another issue is overcrowding furniture. More furniture does not mean better design. In fact, it often makes your room feel smaller and uncomfortable. Choose fewer, better pieces. Let your space breathe. Messy cables and wires are another hidden problem. They instantly break the aesthetic. Keep them hidden or organized for a clean look. Curtains can also ruin a room if done wrong. Short curtains or poorly placed rods make ceilings look lower. Hang curtains higher and wider to create a more elegant appearance. Ignoring a focal point is another big mistake. Every living room needs something that draws attention. It could be a sofa, a piece of art, or even a statement light. Without a focal point, the room feels random and unstructured. Plants are often overlooked. A room without greenery feels lifeless. Even one plant can bring freshness and energy into your space. Another mistake is overstyling. Trying too hard to make everything look perfect often backfires. Boho and modern design both thrive on a slightly relaxed, natural feel. Let your space feel lived in, not staged. And finally, lack of maintenance. Dust, mess, and disorganization can ruin even the most beautifully designed room. Cleanliness is the foundation of a luxurious space. Let's quickly recap what to avoid. Too much clutter. Furniture pushed against walls. Poor lighting. Small rugs. Random colors. Cheap materials. Over-decorated or empty walls. No texture. Too much furniture. Visible cables. Bad curtain placement. No focal point. No plants. Overstyling. Poor maintenance. Fixing these mistakes doesn't require a big budget. It requires awareness and intention. Once you start noticing these details, your living room will instantly begin to improve. Because great design isn't about spending more, it's about choosing better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips. Tell us in the comments, what's one mistake you're going to fix today? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Sparkles.